Imagine a leafy green that's not only delicious but also packed with hydration, essential vitamins, and powerful antioxidants. Butterhead lettuce might just be the most underrated vegetable in your kitchen, offering a wealth of health benefits from supporting your bones to keeping your heart healthy. Ready to discover why you should be adding more of this delicate green to your plate? Butterhead lettuce, known for its tender leaves and mild flavor, has long been a staple in salads, sandwiches, and other culinary dishes. This variety of lettuce is distinguished by its soft, buttery texture and delicate, light green color. Though often overshadowed by more popular leafy greens, butterhead lettuce is rich in nutrients and offers a multitude of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. The natural composition of this leafy vegetable promotes various aspects of well-being, from boosting hydration to supporting digestive health, making it an essential component of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. One of the most significant benefits of butterhead lettuce lies in its high water content. Comprising about 95% water, this lettuce variety is an excellent choice for hydration. Staying properly hydrated is essential for maintaining bodily functions, such as regulating body temperature, supporting joint health, and improving the appearance of skin. The high water content in butterhead lettuce helps replenish fluids lost during daily activities and can be especially beneficial in hot climates or after physical exercise. Additionally, this water content aids in digestion by softening stool, preventing constipation, and promoting overall digestive health. By including butterhead lettuce in one's diet, individuals can support hydration while simultaneously helping to maintain a healthy digestive system. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, butterhead lettuce also contributes to overall health by providing key nutrients. One of its standout attributes is its abundance of vitamin K, a nutrient critical for bone health and the regulation of blood clotting. Vitamin K helps promote calcium absorption, ensuring that bones remain strong and less prone to fractures. Additionally, butterhead lettuce provides a notable amount of vitamin A, which supports eye health, immune function, and skin integrity. This vitamin, derived from beta-carotene, also plays a role in cellular growth and the prevention of age-related degeneration, such as macular degeneration. With its vitamin and mineral profile, butterhead lettuce supports the body's vital functions and contributes to long-term health. Another essential benefit of butterhead lettuce is its ability to aid in weight management. Low in calories yet high in fiber, it makes for an excellent food choice for those seeking to maintain or reduce body weight. Fiber plays an important role in controlling hunger by increasing feelings of fullness, thus reducing the likelihood of overeating. Furthermore, the fiber content in butterhead lettuce aids in regulating blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for individuals managing conditions such as diabetes or those at risk of developing it. The low glycemic index of butterhead lettuce makes it a safe option for individuals seeking to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance, all while providing the necessary nutrients for a balanced diet. In addition to aiding in weight management and digestive health, butterhead lettuce also supports cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, it helps combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of heart disease. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, thus reducing the risk of inflammation and heart disease. The presence of folate in Butterhead lettuce is also important for maintaining a healthy heart. Folate is essential for lowering levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that, when elevated, is linked to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. The regular consumption of Butterhead lettuce, due to its heart-healthy nutrients, can be an effective way to support a healthy cardiovascular system. Finally, the versatility and ease of incorporating Butterhead lettuce into meals make it an attractive choice for those looking to improve their diet. Whether used as a base for salads, added to wraps, or incorporated into smoothies, its mild flavor and tender texture allow it to complement a wide range of foods. Furthermore, unlike other vegetables, Butterhead lettuce requires little preparation, making it a quick and convenient addition to any meal. Its delicate leaves are easy to wash and chop, and it pairs well with both fresh and cooked ingredients. Incorporating Butterhead lettuce into one's meals can enhance both the nutritional content and the overall enjoyment of a diverse and healthy diet. From boosting hydration to promoting a healthy heart, Butterhead lettuce proves that sometimes the simplest ingredients can offer the most profound benefits. Whether you're aiming for better digestion, weight management, or overall well-being, this versatile leafy green has got you covered. So, next time you're at the store, don't overlook this nutritious powerhouse. Your body will thank you.